Hey guys, welcome back. Another episode. In this episode, I am going for a drive. Did another thing. I was looking for a VAG COM and I found one, and I just drove out here to get it. Some 2.5, almost 3-hour drive from where I live to get it. So I picked it up, and on the way I've done some photos. So maybe I'll throw some in here just to show you. Right now we're just driving along. I'm not sure what city or what town we just passed through, but we did, and we're still rolling. I've got another 2 hours, call it 2.5 still. Oh well, I'll show you what I see right now. This is my scenery. Okay, we just hit London. So the nice thing about having this VAG COM is I'll be able to code out things and code in things. For example, what I would like to code out is the airbag light. I changed the the seats as you saw, and so now I've got a light on the dash that says airbag. And when I change the steering wheel, we're gonna have the same thing. So I would like to get in there and remove that. That is something new for me to learn. If anyone out there has any tips, any pointers, pass them along. Would love to learn more. I've got a lot I'm pretty sure I've got a lot to learn. Big learning curve, I'm sure. What are some of the other things that I would like to do? One push, windows up, down kind of thing, lock, yeah, that kind of stuff. What have you guys coded in or coded out, and what vehicles did you have? Right below, so I can see what you guys have done. Like I said, if there's anyone that has any pointers or any good information concerning VAG COM, message me. I'll take all the help I can get. How far have you guys driven to get car parts? Write it down below. I would love to know. My brothers and I went 6 hours away. Take a look at it. I'd already put money down on it. I was pretty sure I was gonna buy it, but you've got to see it. You've got to see it before you pull the trigger, right? Yeah. Memories. I pushed it. I don't know if you see that. 0 kilometers left to the tank. Not gonna lie, I got hella nervous once it got to the 20 and I didn't see any place for gas. Was hella nervous, but I made it. So fill her up, give her some good, get back on the road. Well, that made for a busy day. So tired. Okay, so picked up that VAG COM, met up with a bunch of guys, Nathaniel, I don't remember your name, George, a few guys I saw at the gas station. We got to chit-chatting about cars and what we've done to them and, that kind of stuff. You know what it's like when you bump into someone at the gas station who has a nice car. You gotta chit chat, right? My windshield, well, my whole car, I guess, didn't fare too well. I don't know if it would show, but it's been pelted, and unfortunately, it's gonna stay that way until tomorrow. I am way too exhausted, way too sore. Maybe it might not stay till tomorrow. It might go till Wednesday. Oh no, till Tuesday. I don't know. Alright, don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, share. Thank you. Take care, guys.